Okay, this time I got this fantastic Westclox with the X at the end. It's the 71052 LED alarm clock. This runs on 3 watts, and it's made in China Deluxe anyway. It's got a stand, looks like a monitor or something like that. It's kind of like a TV or something though. And there's a switch here, some dial things here though. Let's put this thing in and see what it does anyway. Hope this is going to take about 2 seconds of that boring stuff anyway. Or somewhat. Oh wow, look how much larger that screen is. It's so big. So bigger. It's a lot more bigger than this time. Alright, TV, you're gonna start displaying some alarm clock or something. It better be. Let's see what it does. It's got alarm 1 and 2. It's not working. Alarm's on. For some reason, it just keeps on flickering. Since when? Okay, let's try it again. Where's the alarm? The alarm's on. I put on alarm 1. For some reason, it's not working. What happened? Okay, it doesn't work anyway. Let's try the next alarm. It's better do it right. Oh, I forgot about that. Whoops. Oh, I see. It wasn't working because I put on the alarm 1. You know, I just pressed the button though. Okay, let's see though. Why is it not working? Alarm's on. All of them's on now. It's not working. Dimmer just turns off. Dimmer's all it can do is just turn the brightness down and up. Are you serious? Man, this is a boring TV show. This is all you get. There's just a stupid alarm clock to do anything, and there's no alarm. What is the big deal? You always work. I thought the beepers are supposed to do anything right. It goes beep, but it doesn't do anything right though. Stupid television. Stupid West TV. You're gonna never do anything right. It's supposed to say what? It's Westclox, huh? More like East TV X at the end. What a piece of junk! They just never do anything right, though. Come on, TV. You're gonna display some fancy screen so big. It's not working. It's so tough. Okay. Are there any berries in here? No, it's just empty box with nothing. What's the problem? Should better work now. It's from January 19, 2021. Well, how the heck even still works? While the beeper isn't. It's from 2021. It's supposed to be brand new, but it wasn't. What a piece of junk! Stupid modern technology just make it so restricted. It doesn't want to do anything right though, the way I want it to. Piece of junk. Do something, TV. Better make it so perfect. Looks like TV show's over. Stupid East TV, never do anything right though.